Here we are again, Playforever fans, with another colorway of a casting. I've collected all of them now. So the casting name is called Turbo, and this colorway is called Miami because look at the thing. But actually, it looks like a Benetton. In fact, I'll pull up some images. Alright, so this has been designed for 3-year-old children to abuse and build dexterity. So it's got safety approval, it's very durable, it's made of really thick ABS plastic. And then here's the blurb about the company. Yeah, they have websites as well, and you can order directly off the website. But since I live in Asia, I have to buy from Chinese resellers. And I have had a few that were definitely used, sold as new, so it's a little concerning. Let's hope that's not the case with this one. So good cardboard packaging, good for the planet. This less so, but it does not scratch the paint like paper would, so compromises must be made. Now, in particular, this Benetton, United Colors of Benetton, that looks very similar to this. It's just the colors are a little bit flip-flopped. I think one of the greatest race liveries in F1 is this one, though, with the swatches. That is cool. So for some odd chance Playforever sees this video and you want to make more money, release this casting and tampo print all these swatches on there. Sorry, you can't see the thing, can you? That one. Very cool. That's one of the greatest liveries, I think, in all of F1 history. But, you know, that's just my personal taste. Yeah, so look at the blockiness here. Just big blocks of color. And that's kind of what I'm seeing here, right? Let me get rid of that taskbar. Alright. So it is really thick plastic because it's meant to be played with by children. And this says plastic sidewalls, and so that's why they get such fine printing of the Sunray brand that they created for their tires. The inside, there's really nothing there. It's just totally smooth plastic. Yeah, see, just deep dish. Really deep, actually. So the tires are still rubbery, and they're very soft and sticky, but they're domed a little bit, so there's less rolling resistance. And the thing has really thick axles. It's very strong. Big tires in the rear, and I think this play is for suspension. But you can see the wing is really tightly wrapping around the tires, which is really cool. And this side as well. This 3 is on the surface of this plastic. I can feel it. But this turbo is under the clear coat, so that's a nice touch. I wish they clear coated this tail, but they didn't. Alright. So we have a smooth black helmet with a chromed visor, and then we have the yellow. The sidewall of the yellow becomes the interior vent wall. This blue, I'm not sure why there's a hole there, probably the mold process perhaps, and then it blends very seamlessly to the red wing. And that red wing is just this square loop, but they have texture on the inside of the wing. I don't know why they do that either. Why it's not smooth, I don't know. But it's nice. It's still, overall, it looks like a 1990s, 2000, early 2000s F1 car. And it is designed to do this very, very well. Although it does squeak. So if it bothers you, you might have to put some oil onto those axles. Alright, well, that's that. So my first one is the all red one. Well, red and black. So it looks like a Ferrari to me, right? And sadly, as I clean it, I've got micro scratches on this wing now, so that's unfortunate. And then the last one I did, this is like a McLaren color. So the red one is 8, this one is 9, and this one is 3. And in America, I have the black and gold one that looks like a John Player special, but it's going to take probably a year until I get to that model. So for now, these are the 3 colorways. And maybe a year from now, you'll see the video on the whole collection of these colors. So very neat. And since I like to, you know, promote this brand, even though I have no affiliation, I buy all this stuff with my own money. But I just appreciate good design. These are professionally designed. This is called the Lauretino casting, and the colorway is Monaco. Looks like a pre-war racer. And then they have the 50s, 60s cigar-shaped thing called a Malibu. And then my favorite is still the Velocita, which is like a 1970s inspired one. So it's really cool. They have, you know, four different decades of F1, all cartooned, stylized, and just really well executed. You know, they're just so, the fitments are so tight. They roll well. They feel very durable. Now naturally, if you play with this a lot, you're going to scrape off the paint off these plastic sidewalls, so be mindful of that. But I'm not going to play with it really. It's gonna just probably go back into the box. Alright, well, thanks for watching today. We'll see you the next time we do a Play Forever video.